Hello, my name is Patty Passmore, and today we're going to talk about Marzano's frameworks for effective instruction. The new art and science of teaching identifies teacher behaviors. These behaviors are effective applications for instructional strategies that focus on student outcomes. These outcomes are specific student mental states and processes that enhance, if this is all done correctly, is enhance student learning. It has three overarching categories, which are feedback, content, and context, and 10 design questions that help teachers plan units, and we use it as an evaluation tool. So for today's screencast, our learning goal is evaluators will be able to recognize three observances or what it looks like for one of Marzano's design questions and the three pieces of communication evidence or what it sounds like of one of these questions. And here is listed the 10 questions, but we're only going to do three of them. The three that we are going to do are listed on this page, but we will go over them on the next pages. So, what the first question is, what will I do to establish and communicate learning goals, track student progress, and celebrate successes? Well, what we will see and observe in the classroom um, are that learning targets are posted daily and referred to throughout the lesson. Learning goals will be embedded in the rubric or performance scale. Formative assessments are used to help monitor progress and adjust if necessary, and the teacher emphasizes growth by explaining what the student did well on a task. What we will hear in communication that will indicate evidence are students can state the learning target if they are asked, and students can track their own growth, and successes will be celebrated at any point in time. So the second question, what will I do to help students effectively interact with this knowledge? Um, what we will observe in the classroom, teachers will present content in small sequential chunks. The teacher asks questions about the information presented, and the teacher has students record notes about the content. What we will hear is that teachers will monitor for student understanding. Students are engaged in activities that help them process new information, and students appear to understand the content of each chunk. The third question, what will I do to help students generate and test hypotheses about new knowledge? What we will see when we observe in the classroom is that teachers will use a variety of activities that will deepen student understanding. The students actively identify and analyze their own errors, and students ask questions about the procedures. What we will hear in communication that will indicate evidence is students will volunteer predictions, they will produce summaries that include critical information, and students can explain how the activities deepen their understanding. So that's the conclusion of part one, and we will see part two next week.